Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Maths Olympiad by Subbarao. Today our topic is 9th standard Olympiad problem. 9th standard Olympiad problem. Peter walks 20 meters to the west, then turns left and walks 18 meters, then again turns left and walks 13 meters, and then turns right and walks 6 meters. How far and in which direction is he now with respect to the starting point? Peter walks 20 meters to the west. Peter walks 20 meters to the west. First you observe here, this is north, south, east, west. A is starting point. Peter walks 20 meters to the west. Peter walks 20 meters to the west, towards west. 20 meters towards west. Then turns left. Then turns left this side. Walks 18 meters. Walks 18 meters. Then again turns left 13 meters. And then turns right. And then turns right. And walks 6 meters. How far and in which direction? How far and in which direction is he now with respect to the starting point? With respect to the starting point, how far is there in which direction? How far is there in which direction? So that means Peter starting point A. He walks towards west side 20 meter, then turn left, walks 18 meter, then turn left, walks 13 meter, and then turn right side and walks 6 meter. So that point is ending point. He asked us to find out how far and in which direction is he now with respect to the starting point. So this is ending point, this is starting point. How far you can find this distance. That means how far. Next, in which direction? In which direction means this is west, this is south. So southwest direction, very clearly you observe here. This is the starting point. This is 20 meter, again 18 meter, this is 13 meter, again 6 meter. Simply you can join this B. So this is rectangle. This is rectangle. 18 meter, 18 meter, 13 meter, 13 meter. So that is in rectangle. What is the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So that means BE is equal to CD 18 meters. BC is equal to DA 13 meters. This entire length is 20 meter. This is 13 meter means this leftover bit is 7 meters. Next, he asked us to find out how far with respect to the starting point. This is ending point. How far means this is dotted line. A to F. You clearly observe here triangle ABF. Triangle ABF. It is right angle triangle. It is right angle triangle. Triangle ABF. It is right angle triangle. BCDE. It is rectangle. BCDE is rectangle. Rectangle BCDA. Rectangle BCDA. CD is equal to B. CD is equal to B. That is equal to 18 meters. Next, BC is equal to D. BC is equal to D. That is equal to 13 meters. Next, BE is equal to 18 meters. Then EF is equal to 6 meters. Total BF is equal to BE plus EF. That is equal to BE is equal to 18 meters plus EF is equal to 6 meters. that is equal to 24 meters. AB is equal to AC minus BC. AB is equal to AC minus BC. AC 20 meters minus BC 13 meters, that is equal to 7 meters. AB is equal to 7 meters. Now AB is equal to 7 meters. BF is equal to 24 meters. This BF is equal to 24 meters. Right angled triangle ABF. Right angled triangle ABF. Right angled triangle ABF. You know AB, you know BF. Simply you can find the AF. How? As per the Pythagoras theorem. As per the Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that means AF square is equal to AF square is equal to AB square, BF square. AB square. AB is equal to how much? 7 meters. AB is equal to 7 meters. 7 square plus BF. BF is equal to 24 meters. BF is equal to 18 plus 6, 24 meters. 24 whole square. What is this? AF square is equal to. So that is equal to 7 square 49 plus 24 square 576. Therefore, AF square is equal to 49 plus 576, that is equal to 625. AF square is equal to 625. Then AF is equal to square root of this. Otherwise, square root on both sides. Square root on both sides. Square root of AF square is equal to square root of 625. Square root of AF square is equal to square root of 625. Square root square cancel. AF is equal to 625 means 25 is a. So 25. AF is equal to 25 meters. AF is equal to 25 meters. So what he asked us to find out? How far he now with respect to the starting point. How far with respect to the starting point. So he is 25 meter away from starting point. Starting point. This is first point. Then next, how far? So that is 25 meter from starting point. And in which direction? First he started towards west. He is closer towards south. Started towards west. Then he is closer towards south. So that means southwest direction. He is in which direction means southwest direction, 25 meter away from starting point and southwest direction. Okay, again I am repeating. This is north, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. North, south, east, west. This is starting point A. Peter walks 20 meter to the west. Peter started 20 meter to the west. 20 meter towards west. Here 20 meter up to C. Then turn left. Turn left. Walks 18 meter up to D. Then again turn left and walks 13 meter. And again turns left and walks 13 meter. So that means up to E. And then again turns right and walks 6 meter. And then turns right, walks 6 meter. That means that is up to F. How far and in which direction is he now with respect to the starting point? With respect to the starting point is ending point F. How far, how much distance he is? That is number one. Next, in which direction? In which direction means he started towards west. ended towards south. So southwest direction. That is one point. Next, you clearly observe here EF joined up to the B, so that BCDE. BCD is rectangle. What is the properties of rectangle? Opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite sides are parallel and equal. So that means BE is equal to CD 18 meters. CD is equal to BE 18 meters. Similarly, BC is equal to DE 13 meters. BC is equal to DE 13 meters. Next, this BF is equal to BE 18 meters plus EF 6 meters. 18 meters plus 6 meters 24 meters. BF is equal to 24 meters. Then AB is equal to AC minus BC. AC how many? 20 meters minus BC 13 meters, that is 7 meters. So this is right angle triangle. This is means ABF is right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, as per the Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. Sum of the squares of other two sides. So that is in right angle triangle ABF, AF square is equal to AB square plus BF square. AB square plus BF square. AB square means 7 square plus BF square 24 square. 7 square 49, 24 square 576. AF square is equal to 625. Square root on both sides. Square root of AF square, that is equal to square root of 625. After simplification, AF is equal to 25 meter. So that means this AF is equal to 25 meter. So this crater 25 meter away from the starting point. That is first one. He is 25 meter away from starting point. And which direction? His direction is first started towards west, then he came and ended towards south. So that means south and west direction. This is the final answer. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video. If you are interested, kindly like, subscribe, share your friends group, ask them to subscribe such more practice videos. Thank you very much.